Hi,
Hey everybody.
Pixel Junkies. Harvest Moon.
Game.
Watch and enjoy.
Game buttons. Number question. Okay.
What did he say his name was?
Mineral guy.
Mineral?
No, I think he said welcome to Mineral Town. How do you go back?
Mayor Mineral.
Mayor Mineral. What's our name gonna be?
Jose.
No.
Javier.
Javier. That's how you spell it, right?
Javier.
We'll be the Javier. Yes. When is your birthday?
See, the timer goes off on its own.
Oh.
Check it in around 18 minutes.
When's our birthday? Are there perks?
April.
Less in spring.
Oh, I mean January.
But you gotta get to choose a month. There's only 4 months in this universe.
What is your birthday? Oh, it's fall the 21st.
We could do I'll just do the 20th because that's the date of
Spring 20th.
Spring, yeah, spring 20th.
What is the name of the farm? Butt Farm.
Butt Farm. Gorba. Shit. What's that? The poster's falling. Poster fell. Oh, I can't put in Gorbachev. Fuck, God, this
That's not how
sucks.
you spell Gorbachev anyway.
It is in my universe. This is gonna fall down again.
You almost got killed by that poster, Christine.
Yeah, the poster almost killed Christine.
I wasn't ready.
It's not a poster, it's actually a map of Skyrim. Those things have been known to kill people. You gotta keep your eyes on them.
What anus?
That sounds legitimate. Anus firm.
Anus farm, yep.
Can we spell it like
Your name? What's your name?
Javier of Anus Farm?
Javier Anus.
So maybe should we spell it like this?
Anus. I like that. Anus is
Because that's like a pun. That's like a double entendre. Mark?
yeah.
The fuck is a
Mark.
mark? Oh. This kind of looks like no. Oh, this looks like an anus.
That's a heart.
Yeah, but it looks like a butt cheeks.
What about the?
It looks like a butt cheeks.
What about the fork?
This?
Yeah. What's the thing next to it? The black thing.
A fishy.
A hoof?
That's a hoof.
Fish?
Oh.
Yeah,
What's the fork? Is that a cactus?
I think so. And there's no
And
cactus.
what's
in the
next to
game.
that?
This?
Yeah.
I think it's calipers.
And next to that, mushroom.
It looks like a penguin kind of. No, this is a.
It looks like a horseshoe.
How is it?
You guys are too far away.
It's upside down. You're not supposed to hold horseshoes that way.
So all the luck falls out.
Yeah, all the luck falls out.
Well, it is.
Nobody taught these guys how to. What is this?
What is that thing?
That looks like a
At
birthday
the
cake.
top. The-
Oh wait, I got it.
So fish, cactus, hoof, horseshoe, paw. Great.
Paw print?
Yeah.
I got it. There you go.
How do you pronounce that?
Anus, but with stars as O's. Anus stars. Are we good with that? That's gonna be a whole episode just on this friggin' name.
That's stupid, but go ahead.
No, it's alright. We'll do something else.
Good.
This is boring.
Let's just do anus. That's not anus.
Anvus.
Okay.
Anus farm. Yes.
Yes. What is the name of the dog on the farm?
Anus. Dog? Or Bill?
Bill.
Bill the dog. Bill's a good dog's name.
If you really wanted to screw up the game, you could give the farm, the boy, and the dog the name of one of the girls in the city.
We could.
Then it would be
I
so
spell Raphael.
There's an A before the E.
yeah.
Oh. Like that?
Yeah.
Raphael.
I think that's right.
I forget. Oh. Yes.
Why is the dog's name Raphael?
Because I'm Javier. Javier and Raphael.
Oh, them.
And they're on anus
Because he thinks anus means something else in English.
Is
Why is it that all
Javier
their
and
teenagers are
Raphael
Mexican?
from something?
No. They're from this
Oh.
game.
Okay, so I'm not missing some joke here.
No.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, what is wrong with that guy? Well, what do you think? This is your grandpa's farm. It's been neglected for quite some time. So it's a bit of a mess,
He says it. He says the ellipses.
It's a bit of a mess, ellipses.
Oh, he just says dot dot dot.
Do you remember when you were young and spent summer vacation on this farm? Question mark?
Don't say question mark. Just ask the dot 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 in a question form. Dot 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 dot.
I couldn't rearrange my schedules. I'm sorry. I promise you. Please understand. I'm very busy.
I forgot the commas and the periods.
I apostrophe LL. Make up for this. I'm not reading all this.
Take it easy and enjoy nature for a change.
Enjoy cleaning up my farm. You will die here. He's grown like an inch in however many years has elapsed, and oh my god, it's the same dog. And oh my god, your friggin' grandpa has a backwards head also.
Hello there, Sonny.
What a badass.
There's not much excitement out in these parts, but you're welcome to stay as long as you want.
Oh, I can continue the thing.
I'm too busy with my farm chores to play with you much. Oh, that's good, Grandpa.
Yeah, you don't need to play with me.
But, yeah.
That's the reason I'm in witness protection. Oh, I fell off the cow. Good times. There's me riding horse. And there's me killing chickens. Oh, no. And the old wharf. Throwing things into the wharf. And there's me falling down or whatever. There's me throwing the dog into the river.
You didn't throw your dog in the river.
You can.
Are you playing now?
No.
Oh.
There's always this. I haven't played recent. I was gonna say Tomb Raider. I haven't played recent Harvest Moon games.
Tomb Raider, yeah.
Moon Raider. I haven't played recent Harvest Moon games, but for all the ones I've played have been variations of this game, and they all begin with some random. I'm gonna walk into a field and lie down, and then I meet a random girl or whatever. Yeah. So the girl is humming, and then she's gonna come in, and she's like, "Hey, are you dead or stuff?" And then you're like, "No." And then I'm like, "I'll probably see you again in like 30 years, and then maybe we'll get married." Except I won't know who you are because you're supposed to be super generic, so that you can be any one of the number of females available later.
There's 5 of them.
There's 5.
Okay, you're singing.
Yes, we get it. Check out that normal mapped mountain.
This sounds friggin' like that terrifying song from the credits of that movie. Remember what was that?
What movie?
The anime movie that we watched that one time.
Oh, Nausicaa?
Yes.
You're right, it kind of does.
Yeah.
Isn't that like slightly terrifying?
I guess Japanese girls really like humming.
There's only one note progression in anime
The hum.
for hums. That almost turned into like Jurassic Park theme.
That was close.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are 5 girls: Mary, Ann, Potpourri, Ellie, and Karen.
I think everyone tries to go out with Karen, but I think it was Karen. No, wait, what? I said Karen.
Mm-hmm.
Who's the first one? Mary Ann?
Mary, Ann,
Oh,
Potpourri,
Mary.
Ellie, and Karen.
I don't know, I think it's Mary or Ann that.
I feel like my friends used to talk about Potpourri a lot.
Oh, really? Oh,
Karen's the rebel, isn't she? The mayor's daughter or
she's
something?
the blonde.
Oh. Maybe that is who I'm talking about.
Everyone's like, oh my god, the blonde. Better marry her.
One of them has purple hair or pink hair or something.
Oh my god.
Your guy's just like, okay, leave.
I was just visiting. Go away, please. I play now?
Yay!
Yay, done talking to me. Yeah. The poster fell down again. Yeah, just leave it. I mean, I'm welding it to the wall now. I put tape on it 3 separate occasions, and it's like,
Use
no.
staples.
Fuck that. Staple it to the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, I can play now. See, holy shit, look at this friggin' rabbit ears CRT thing. Okay, fuck everything in this game right now except going outside.
All this music.
Yep. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Good morning, Javier. I came to show you around the village. Go away. Oh.
He's so sad.
Oh. Well, Dad. Once things settle down, you can come to my house or something. Oh my god, go away! God damn it. Go away! He's a beard on the back of his head.
Who's this guy?
Hey, did you tell that old man to fuck off?
I'm the buyer, Zach. Nice to meet you. As a farmer, you're not a farmer.
Hey, I'm generic dude with a flat top. What's up? Holy shit. Yes, you take stuff. I got you. So they need to make a sound for every single letter that appears on the screen. Okay, cool. Looks like my mailbox is takes fucking floppy disks or something.
Can you run? Double tap?
You probably need to like buy golden boots or something for that. No, not yet. That's the thing.
Throw it at your dog.
How do you throw shit?
I don't know. Or put it on your dog.
Oh wait.
There you go.
Oh, I got it.
Hey, there you
You
go.
gotta hold circle. There's a game. Lifting weights.
Yeah. Go into the town and buy some stuff.
I don't have any money.
Well, then sell some stuff and then buy some stuff.
I don't have any stuff. I sell my dog.
Sell your dog.
Okay, we'll sell my dog. And then can I put him into the box?
Put him in the mailbox. Oh, he loves you.
How do I throw him? Okay.
Is there a chuck it button?
I can't put my dog into my backpack. Okay. Well, we're just gonna go into town, me and my dog and stuff. And this is the guy, it is locked. Cool.
Is that a hospital?
Oh. This is the first 2 seconds of the game. Why is everything locked? Cool. So what do we do? We can't go to the blacksmith shop because they're freaking closed.
They are too.
Okay, so we gotta wait.
Obviously, you're supposed to do something before places open up.
We gotta chill out till like 10 o'clock or something because everyone's slag as hell in the city.
Oh.
Don't punish your ticket until 10 o'clock in the morning.
Get your dog.
Why is it looks like my dog is in sepia tone.
Hey, look at that. Who's that?
Hey, dude. Hey. Hey. Pick up the friggin' dog. Oh, cool. I'm gonna trade my dog in for a scythe.
Who's that guy?
Well,
if it isn't Javier from the 80s farm.
The anus.
You farm anus.
Are you from the anus? What can I do for you today? Alright, what? I was talking about my dog. Yeah, okay. Girl, what?
Buy a girl's present. You have 500 G.
Buy a tool.
You have 500 grand.
Buy a tool.
Milk her.
I don't have any
You should
cows.
probably start planting some stuff by clearing
What?
the land.
Everything is way more than I can friggin' afford. Okay.
What is a G?
Gold. If you level up a tool, you can do what now?
So clippers cost like 800 gold pieces.
Okay, so I can't afford anything right now.
What about a girl's present so you can get married?
Just shag the rest of the game. Just get me. I'm stuck inside the dude. I'm stuck inside the dude. I'm inside you, man. Chill. I'm not. I'm all. What? I'm stuck inside of him. Oh, okay. Good.
Your dog saved you, I think.
Okay. Yes. Alright, well, I'm broke as shit and I don't know how to start this game. What do you do?
You abandoned your dog.
You have
I don't need him.
to clear the land by pulling weeds, breaking rocks, and chopping stumps and sticks for lumber. Once you've cleared the land, you can till it using a hoe and then plant seeds. If you water the seeds daily, they will grow.
Do I sell sticks or like how do I get
You
money?
need to get some presents to get a hoe first.
Oh!
So save up for...
We're on another level.
You have to chop stumps and sticks for lumber.
But I don't have anything to chop with.
Your first hammer and axe are capable of dealing only with... Do you have a hammer and axe in like that little chest in your house?
Oh, probably.
Good thing you just started the game and you didn't bother with anything else.
Hey man, this game's about harvesting. You gotta play like 200 hours in order to harvest.
What could be in the toolbox?
Oh, whoa!
Oh look,
Hey,
tools!
look, hey, look.
Tools!
Hammer and hammer. What?
And an axe for your lumber.
I don't need
You
to
don't need a hoe yet.
I don't need to till yet. Okay, let's do stuff with this tools.
Break rocks, pull weeds, and chop up lumber.
Tedious as shit teaching children to do garden work since 1997.
Take out your stuff.
Do you what's quick equip?
I don't know.
Yeah, here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit, what's the button? There we go. Oh no, that's not it. And it's this button. And then okay. So I just think I'm gonna like I'm just gonna break rocks. Nice silent alarm. So we'll
You might not be able to break that. It might be too big right now.
yeah.
Upgrade your hammer.
So how do I get lumber one day?
I don't know. Apparently you get lumber by chopping stumps
That's not loud.
It's alright.
Don't worry, it's not an emergency. It was just Andrew's phone.
Why don't you do all of one thing first?
I could.
Yeah, you don't need to do the whole thing. Just do a section and dig some ground.
And then till it. And
Plant
then
some seeds.
Oh, I'm tired, better go to sleep.
Oh, it's getting late.
Yeah, 3 p.m., better go to bed. I wish the day cycle in this was longer. I really do. Because Save the Homeland, which is a game I played the shit out of, and was arguably the worst Harvest Moon game ever. You get like, the day cycle is literally 4 minutes long, so you get enough time to wake up, go outside, water all your plants, and then go back to bed again. You can't do anything else. If you friggin', oh, I'm gonna stay up a little late tonight and go fishing because I want to do something else in this game, or all my crops will die. And it's like, nope, I get sick, and then you lose a day, and then all your plants die because one day you weren't up to water them, because that's how plants work. But then you get the odd day where it rained and you didn't need to
You
water
have
your
a
crops.
horse?
You can get a horse in this, yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah.
L1 whistles your dog and your horse.
You could get a horse and save the homeland too, which is pretty cool.
Oh wow, you're really tired.
Yeah.
This is like Dead Rising.
Dead Rising.
Yeah.
Well, the mechanics of
Just the whole time thing. You've only got a certain amount of time to do stuff, and then you die.
I'm dead.
Go to bed.
No, it's fucking 5:20.
Yeah, but you're tired.
So, in real life, I stayed up really late last night because I wanted to, and I want to stay up late.
You weren't working on a farm all day.
I don't need to work on a farm. Why don't I go to bed?
Life ends here at 6 o'clock.
Yep, apparently. Friggin' pitch black out at 6 o'clock. Gotta love wherever this place is located.
The North Pole.
Go to bed. Sleep without making entry. I'll make dark. Yeah, so just we can skip this next bit. Well, skip the intro bit next time we play.
Alright. When we come back, it's going to be the next time we play.
Okay, yeah. See you on the next episode.
Bye.